Hello everyone and welcome to our look at this advanced scent air machine for your home. This innovative waterless diffuser uses cold air technology to transform oils into a fine fragrance mist. It covers 1,500 square feet and features a large 200 milliliter oil capacity. You can easily customize your scent schedule using the smart Aromalink app on your phone. Securely mount the device on a wall or place it on any flat surface for instant relaxation. Experience a luxury hotel atmosphere in your bedroom, office, or large commercial living area today. Use a phone light to see the microparticles as they quickly fill your space with scent. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.